I don't even want it anymore.
Go.
I don't want.
I'll do some too. What's that taste like? Your face. I'm afraid to do some.
Mm.
Does it taste like chicken?
It's so gross.
Go get your iced tea or some shit.
You got me crying.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did.
Ew, this smells
Do
bad.
it. Don't even. You gotta do it.
Yo, this smells like shit. I mean, this just smells bad. Stop coughing. I'm afraid to do it.
It doesn't even help. Should I finish it off?
Oh my fucking god, that's spicy. I just cursed. Holy fudge. Drink it.
No, you get.
Oh fuck, I need to.
But it's Amy.
That's fucking. I mean,
It's not spicy. It's just gross.
yeah, it's spicy.
What?
It's spicy in your throat.
You're.
What?
It just tastes bad to me.
It's spicy in my throat. Like there's like
Look
spices.
at all the peppers
in
on the side of it.
Okay, so drink it. Drink it. Drink it. You just offered to drink the rest of it.
Oh,
Oh, my mom's coming. No, I don't think she is anymore. Maybe you can stomp on the floor.
shut up! I can't even breathe it in without spazzing. I'm afraid to.
You just did some. I only did like a little sip and you did like the whole fucking cup. The whole freaking cup.
Oh! I don't want to go out there. I'm crying.
Go out there. Just feel like I'm choking on my spit. Go! Do you want your drink?
Can you please?
Okay. I'm gonna keep it recorded on this game.
Oh! It came up.
Oh, that's disgusting smell. How you doing?
Oh, it came.
Alright, let me stop this.